loud. Sorry about that. All right, let's chart this out. Let's chart this out. So it is CPI day, um, and then we also have some great news from the China-U.S. deal. The deal is supposed to be trade deal is supposed to be done, and let's see where Marcus wants to go after that. I see the gold retracing more than MNQ, which is fine. I think at open we probably gonna see a short squeeze rally where all the shorts gonna get squeezed out. So there's two options we can probably do today, right? One is you can trade long MNQ, or we can short gold. Because if you look at it, let's draw a gold trend. Draw another trend on gold. I think gold will break that channel and we can go down further today and maybe retest the lows of 330.11, maybe lower. Yeah, so oh my goodness, maintenance. The top step X is glitching. Hopefully it does not glitch. Gosh. I'm getting all this maintenance crap pop up my screen. But over here it says connection is good, so I don't know. I hope it's nothing big because it could definitely screw up your trading if we do have some kind of glitch. You know what I mean? So yeah. What's up, T? Hey, does your Top Step X, if you have it on your screen, does it say maintenance, something like that, pop up? Because that's what I'm showing on mine, and I had to exit out a couple of times. Just wondering if that's happening to you. I'm gonna check on Top Step dashboard, see what's up. I'm in their Discord. They are doing some maintenance. Good morning. We yeah. Top Step X going to some kind of update right now. Maintenance on the platform. Oh no, that's 6.6. Never mind. That's old news. Oh, that's old news. 6.6. Okay, I'm not getting anything. Let's see, go announcement. Yeah, nothing today. Okay, so that's good. Okay, yeah. Okay, never mind. We good. We good. We good. So yeah, there's a lot of bullish news going on with the China-U.S. trade. Supposedly it's a done deal. Trump says China made a deal on their tariff, so that's very bullish for market. And then we also got some good CPI number. So everything's looking bullish right now. So there's two ways we can trade today. One is we can go long MNQ when it's right, or we can short gold. Because the reason why gold went up so as much as they did so far is because of all the fears of tariff and everything else. But now that is easing, I think people will start to sell gold. Uh, so just look at your chart, mark all the levels to see if this will support. Right now, I want to see if that will support. We have right here previous to high. It was resistance, right? Now it's acting as support, so that's very bullish. So let's hopefully this level holds. We can go long again. Oh shoot! While I'm talking, I have to show an example here too. This is the example. So yeah, this was previously resistant level. Now it's turning support. So we want they call this the SR flip, support resistance flip. So if that holds, we're good. We can look and go long. If it shorts it, then I'll still wait. I'm still bullish with that. I'm not going to short along with the market. Let's see all the sellers take profit, whatever they want to do out, clear out the way, and I think we have a nice rally. I'm gonna go back into gold because I think the gold play is still looking good to short. Okay, I'm in gold short. I'm looking to really short gold all the way down to at least 335. So I'm gonna have a high stop. Also, my stop is gonna be 365. Yeah. Okay. So, go, oh, I'm gonna go to my thing, Robinhood. Where is gold? Zero TDE. I'm in gold 308 puts, zero TDE for 130. just so you guys know. MQ is fading. That support level did not hold. Uh, so don't want to jump in along yet. This is also the 5 minute opening range. It gave a lot back, right, on that move. It gave a lot back. Let's see bad print. Also, Trump announced that he will be replacing the Fed, Jerome Powell, with a dovish, very dovish Fed. So there's going to be shadow government, shadow Feds, and soon the market will start pricing that in. A dovish Fed is going to cut rates, right? It's not going to be like Jerome Powell. It's kind of like holding U.S. hostage for now with them just sticking to the gun and not cutting rates. They should be cutting rates already. We got a nasty 15-minute candle on MNQ, but it is holding low, so we'll see. Okay, gold finally breaking down now. I am short gold. Everyone. Okay, finally getting our move there. Yep. And goes up 8% on my options. And there we go. We start to accelerate to go short. It's looking good. Like I said, 200 there. I like that it's breaking this little bit of support trend there. I wanted to see it break underneath 346 for me to completely add into it. I will completely add another 5 cons. Right now, we're looking very, very nice. Very nice. Even MMQ is breaking down also. Gold is kind of moving along with that. This is, not that unusual. Normally, we have the inverse. MMQ goes down, gold goes up. But I think gold's reacting more to the news of all the deals happening. NMQ could be just profit taking right now. If this continues, we might see a end of day rally for MNQ. drop. Oof. That's nasty on MQ. Let me make sure that I'm not missing anything. Oh, it says looking at his best set, that's a new Fed chair, obviously. Oh, that's good because he's been on his side. He's been really bullish. He's been really dovish, so that's going to help. Go gain a little bit of support there. But our trend is current trend is still down, so good. Also, nice bounce there from MNQ. I want to see how far off we are from all-time highs, man, because we are heading there. We are almost heading there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Good job. Good job, Trump. You fucking did it. All-time high will be 2667. Okay. I got to sneeze. Oh, let me mute you guys real quick. Man, my allergies is no joke. If it goes coming back up a little bit here. I'm not worried. I have a trend line. Obviously, if it goes way beyond that trend line, I have my stop. Good job. We rally back. That's definitely a nice pushback on in it, Keel. If I were to enter here, I'll probably have still have to wait for that 15-minute trend line downside to break before taking a long, or at least above. Let's see, 202. So if we crack above 202, I'll look at trying to go long MNQ. So you guys know my current trade right now is gold short on gold. Last night I had a long gold with my boy T. We did great. Now this morning I'm gonna short gold because of all the more information we got on trade deals. There we go. Let's accelerate this. Come on. Break 346 so I can add. Nice option. New nice too. We looking good. We're looking good. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great day, guys. We are gonna crush it today. Lead it. We are absolutely gonna crush it today. Crush it last night. Crush it in the morning. 900 on my account. This is a fresh new XFA account. Passed yesterday. Uh, I'm gonna see how far I can go with this. Maybe I can get a 4K day, like somebody. Nah, I don't think I get 4K. That's too much. Maybe I can go for like 1K. stop just a little bit more. So fine. I think we'll get this move soon to the downside. Anyway, I appreciate my team always up in the morning, getting ready, training with me. You guys are putting in the work. Trust me when I say this. You guys will start to see results as long as you guys keep consistent with the work ethic. Trading is fun, but just treat it like a business, treat it like a job. You guys will go far. I promise you that. Just keep your head down, keep grinding. It will pay off. It will pay off. Yeah, when I first started, probably 4 years ago, I didn't have this kind of support. I was training alone. I was learning alone. Everything mostly YouTube or on Twitter. There was like on Twitter. There's called X. They have a called Live Space where people would trade live on Spaces, and you get to listen to them and they talk about markets and economics. I tune in every day. I kid you not. I tune in every day. Even if it wasn't trading, I was just listening, trying to soak in as much as I can, trying to learn everything about economics, you know, the data, how to read it correctly, the market, the charts, just everything. It's a strategy. Every hour, every morning, my days off, I would back test everything, all the strategy. I would back test it on an hour. Using TradingView, you can. That's a back test thing when you go back in time and click on it, and then just trade like the past days, which is good. You back test your strategy. Trust me, I've been through my highs and through my lows in trading, so I know how it feels when you're starting off. Just don't let the low day discourage you from continuing. I promise you, in the end, it's worth it. Just discipline. That's the hardest part. Discipline. A little back and forth again still, even with gold. I want to see a bigger breakdown, uh, but we're still in trend. I'm not worried. We're still in trend. We're still underneath that, um, below our entry, so we good. Doesn't do us any good for our option though, because we got the delta data and it's from ZDET. Unlike futures, right? We don't have to worry about that. But option you do. That's why a lot of people are switching to futures now. That and prop firm helps take the risk off a little bit. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Break it under. I like that big wick down. Good job. I see Sung is on his phone, but my boy, he barely trades early enough with us. Got kids, which is okay, Sung. I feel you. Okay, let's analyze the market. Pref opened up really high at 1400, and then it trailed back down all the way back down to 600. But it was still positive 800 on breath, which is cool. It's decent. Nothing to worry about. Looking at Mag 7, everything sold off a little bit. That's why we got that big dip. Except for Microsoft. Microsoft opened up strong, held strong. I think that's about it. Everything else had a little bit of dip in the early morning. It's like a lot of back and forth right now. A lot of back and forth. Haven't gotten that clean acceleration one way or the other. All right. Now trend line, I probably have to extend it now. Just cause the EMA's cross on the 5 minute, which is bearish, right? We got EMA cross happening. Everything's trading underneath the even in the non-EMA, even all the EMA, even under VWAP. So nothing's telling us, hey, we have to worry about gold reversing on us right now. Just a long hold until it makes its move. I'm also live on YouTube, guys, so don't forget sometimes go back on it. Just give me a like. Helps up the algorithm a little bit. Could got nobody watching me on live on YouTube, which is fine. I don't. I mean, I don't care. I, I don't do it for all that. It's a slow process to build the audience. As long as my Discord is getting the value from it, that's all that matters to me. Every day, basically, I've been giving free money. It's been a winning week. Most of my call outs have been good. Most of my Asian market call outs been good. Been printing money. So you know definitely getting your values. NQ2002 is acting as a good resistance right now. A break above that, and then a test of 225, I 2025. We have a good chance of a rally push back up. Other than that, I'll avoid this in between choppiness on MQ right now. You know, you have to avoid chop in trading because that's where it's gonna eat you up. If you trade NMQ, just simply draw a trend line down or a trend line up, right? I would prefer a trend line down. Watch that trend line break before you can go long. That's a simple trend line strategy. It's making a push right now. I know I'm looking my card. I'm looking at gold, but I have another chart up that you guys can't see. But it is MNQ. It's touching 202. I can just flip it up to that right now. See, we're talking about it. Broke 202, right? Want to see it break 225 at least for them to get bullish. In the 5 minute chart, I'm thinking the trend break, right? We're kind of getting that trend break right now, but I'm not convinced until we break above 225. That would be the orb high. We're making progress right now, but an entry here is risk. It's risky still because we're still in the middle of that chop. So yeah, yeah. Breath has been doing a lot better too. So um, it looks like a rally is about to happen. So you guys know, look like Breath has just been shooting up now. That's a positive for markets. Going back to go manage my trade, manage your trade. MLK looking good. Breaking trend so far. Nice push or are we going towards that 225? Long here is decent right now, honestly. You want to go long MQ? That's decent. I like a break above already. That's so far looking pretty bullish on the 15 minutes. That coupling with the acceleration of breath, um, it's looking good. You know what? I'm gonna take a jab at it. I'm gonna go long on MNQ here too. No, my stop will be 19, 1968, which is the candle low of the 15 minute, and I'll target the highs. The high of pre-market high, which is at 2092. Yes, I'm in long MQ and still short gold. right? You can do that. You can't. What you cannot do, and that's part of the rule, is long inner queue and short inner queue in a different account, right? You can't do it like that. Then you're trying to game the system now. But this is two different kind of tickers, MNQ and Gold, right? So you're not gaining anything here. For some reason I can't hear you guys, huh? Let me try to say something. I wonder if I can hear you guys. Oh, you guys can hear me. Nope, I can't hear you. Okay, let me disconnect this and try to reconnect. It's weird. Okay, say something. I'm testing it out again. Okay, now I hear you. Good, good. Thank you. Earlier I couldn't hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you guys. Can you hear me? Okay, cool. I don't think she can because she locked herself out. She had her account locked out, so she can't even trade right now. Yeah, that means you have to trade more now. The next, you know, if it's locked and you can't trade, then yeah, you have to trade tomorrow. You have to make more to pass like a lot more because you went way over your consistency rule. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that's almost like that's London Open. Yeah, especially got no limit. Yeah, you can. Yeah, that's payday. So you held during the news and you got the news play, huh? You're crazy. That's gambling, you know that, right? Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, no, I understand. But next time, go for it, especially with XFA. Don't do that to yourself, 'cause that could easily blow your account with data release. Long or short, even if you have it stop sometime, it just bypass that because the move is so fast that it doesn't even consider your stop. It will just pass it, and you're like, why it hasn't stop out? And then next thing you blow your account. Even if you have a stop loss, it will still it would just still go past it. You can't go unlimited on combine, man. T T give you bad info, man. No, if I want to, yeah, I haven't seen Paul for a long time. I don't know what happened to him. I hope he's okay. I haven't heard from him ever since. Maybe he in vacation in Vietnam. Who knows? But I haven't heard from him. I know his cousin's on Drew, but he said he can't. He haven't talked to him either, so I don't know. Yeah, I hope he's okay too. We getting a lot back and forth right now on gold and it's not good. Well, at least MQ is. shooting up. I am long MNQ, by the way, guys. Go try and break trend right now. Sucks. But still on the EMA, so not so worried. Hopefully it's just a little tiny little bear flag. They call that bear flag. And then just drop. Kind of slow morning action, huh? Got a little bit fade and it's just kind of like just choppy now. Yeah, yeah. I'm long at MQ and I'm short gold. Yeah, I caught the short on gold this morning when at the top. I short it all the way down. That was a nice short. A lot of people would have chased long when they see that. There were a lot of people would have chased long. That's why we get burned. Okay, and keep looking good. We just tapped 2025. Let's break above that. Come up. Yeah, you done it before. I think I remember with me. We long and short. Oh, you did by accident. It worked out though. It worked out. It's, you gotta understand the relationship between gold and MNQ. So gold is what's called people a risk asset, a safe risk asset. So when there's a lot of turmoil and there's a lot of bad things happening in the world, People like to invest back into gold. Like war, let's say war broke out, gold would shoot up, right? Tariff war, yeah, gold shot up. A lot of uncertainties with the market. That's when gold really does well. Now, when gold does bad is when there's more clarity in the market. Okay, now we get clarity with tariff, not much going on. We got clarity about the war already. We're trying to keep peace, Ukraine, all that stuff. So when the market has more certainty, people take more risks. So they invest more in tech and Nasdaq and stock market. The stock market goes up because they can get a higher return and don't have to worry so much, on their investment. And if you understand those kind of correlation, you know what step to take. So even today, even oil has a good correlation to markets, right? Gold is rallying up on, and oil is rallying, not gold, but oil has rallied up too because China is a big part of that. If China's in production, China's an industrial country still. In order for oil to, they need oil to run machineries and all this stuff to make the engine running, to make China industrial complex running. So once the tariff news was good, oil was going to rally it back up because now they say, oh, hey, we need to ramp up our oil production so that factory can run. It's economics, everything has some kind of effect on something. Once you start to understand that, it gives you a little bit of edge into trading. Uh, it's very important to follow news. I know back then economic news used to be boring. I don't understand, but now I love it. I love it. I love listening to it. I feel like it gives me an edge on what I do. We're breaking above 2032. Nice push. Getting that nice push. If you're long NMQ, you're looking good. If you're short gold, you're looking decent. Not great. Was looking better. But I want to see more acceleration downside for gold. My target for NNQ is 2092. So pre-market high. Obviously, I think it could go higher today if it wants to. Short squeeze everybody out that have been short, trying to short the market. If it does that, it's just gonna keep running hot all day. Like it's gonna be hard for anybody to try to short. But if you can hold long enough with all that move, you ain't gonna make a lot of money today. But it needs to break the um, 2093 pretty much pre-market high. It needs to break above that and hold. And you can see the markets is going crazy. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We move a lot back up to what the lows when all the Trump tariffs talk. And I kept telling my friends, everybody, hey, don't worry about it. Just buy the dip on all your favorite stocks. Just buy and hold because we're gonna have all time high this year. We're gonna break all time highs. I guarantee you that. The market is gonna be very bullish. Trump cares a lot about market, and that's why people don't understand about it. This is his legacy. He's the number one guy that will move the market. That's why market moves so crazy when he's the president every time because he cares about market so much. He will make things happen so that market will not go down in his term. He's not that guy. He has a big ego. What is that? Oh yeah, it's Yeah, it's always happening. It's the no, no, it doesn't affect where I live. In L.A., it's on L.A. It affects me when I go to Disneyland though. They better stop. No, no, that I have somebody who lives in L.A. He said it's just a small portion of L.A. That's affected. That's not even a big thing. But they started a riot too and protests in San Francisco now too. It's no big surprise. We're such a liberal state, so it's gonna happen. But it's not gonna affect markets. Those kind of events will doesn't affect markets. Yeah, we're, yeah, we're safe. Don't worry. We're not Mexican. Oh, don't worry. I'm gonna be training for a very long time. Gonna pass this thing down to my kids, to my son, so that he has to worry about it in the future. He's you never know. One day she's like, "Mom, I don't want to work anymore. I'm tired of my boss. Show me something I can do at home and make money." You know. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. You never know. People change. We're up about 200 something right now. It's been slow, right? It's been slow. Even though normally at the open we see a bigger move, but it's been slow. Don't know. We gotta go out later because she's not working today, so we'll probably go out. Yeah, 41. Yeah, yeah. Jeez. You don't need rich to move to Texas. It's so cheap in Texas. Oh, yeah. You belong there then. Oregon, hippie city. No. I like walks. Like my allergies too crazy. I can't do nature. Nature always hate me when I go out. Come on. And the kid's still looking good. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think so. I think today we'll go past that. I think today I think we'll pass that. We'll try to challenge all time high. Yeah. I think today we're gonna challenge that. That's not there's a lot of bullish thing happening. Good CPI, China deal, one of the biggest deal that you need happen is already done deal. So I think we think we'll do. We ain't that old. Come on. it's, it's too late already. I got back pain. Oh my god. Gotta stretch every morning. Exercise. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I guess you're right. That's true. MAQ is doing a lot better in my gold trade right now. Not gonna lie, but I'm just breaking even in gold. But MAQ up 200 something dollars. What's up? Welcome to live stream, Azar. MNQ is running still, which is good. I just need to see gold really break down. I'll be happy. Gold's kind of holding me back right now. Man, the data decay on my option sucks. Even though it hasn't moved anywhere on price action itself, I'm down $78 just because of the Greeks and the delta and the data on it and options. Same entry as my short on futures, but the way option works and the way future works is drastically different. Okay, gold, so I'm making a little push right now. Yep. Gold pushing. I'm gonna cut it because it's taking too long short and it's not getting my move and it's trying to push here. So I'm just gonna cut that as a loss. Yeah, I'll cut it as a loss. Yeah, MNQ is still doing good, so I'm gonna go back to MNQ and just we're going to continue this trade instead, right? We got a nice trend break, and from there on we see just slowly climbing up. Even though we took a loss on gold, we're still doing good here, so still net positive. If anything, I'm gonna add another 3 contract here on. Yeah, I add 3. I like the structure right now, so I'm gonna add. I'm also gonna move my stop up just cause I added. Target is still to 2092. And I'm gonna cut this gold trade to here on option. Don't like the way contract's moving. Where's MNQ? If anything, I'm gonna long. I'm gonna long QQQ. You can, you can, but just know option moves crazy. So if you go, I do 1 day at least. If you go 0 TD, then yeah, it's a big crazy move. 1 day, maybe long at 535. There's good interest there, good delta. Yeah, deltas are good. Go long 536. I'm gonna go along 303, 535, and kill one day. Wait, never mind. I don't have enough buying power. I gotta go lower than that. Sucks. Oh, ooh, there's a lot of interest in this one. Okay, I'm long 536 UTET. I want $128. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna get some drinks.
Elon Musk came out and apologized to Trump. He said he regret his pump this past week. Yeah, it's true. It's, yeah, it's good. They went too far. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, it could be. You don't know. Those guys like to play games. So. But he did make a tweet apology pretty much. They should be in good terms. Those two needs to make up. Tesla stocks should do better today. I'm guessing it did. I have a couple investments in Tesla too, so they better make up, man. Yeah, Tesla's backed up 322. Not bad. Not bad at all. Uh, I would rather take a dip, but yeah, today is decent price. My top holdings is Nvidia. I got about 13 shares of that. Let me see. Yeah, Nvidia I have about 13 shares. I got Palantir. I got like 6 shares of that. This is all my son's account, and I have 2 shares of Tesla for him. And like, yeah, and I started this account like around, with like $500 for him, and now it's like almost $4,000. Yeah, Tesla could definitely Tesla can definitely go higher. Let's just put it that way. Tesla can go high because you got Robotaxi and you got Optimus, is just you know their their robot AI. That's gonna be the future, right? Yeah, Tesla can go a lot more higher. I'm very bullish on Tesla. Oh, and okay, yeah, I'm not even looking at it. We're looking good. We're looking good. Like I said, I'm not worried today. Today it feels like we got a lot of positive news that came. Inflation data was good. Deal with China is a big one. Obviously, early morning we got a bunch of it dropped because a lot of times this is called profit taking, right? People were buying the dip when the low. Now it's this high. Yeah, you're just smart enough. You have to take some profit off, and then we saw some selling off. And then guess what? There's the people who did not take all that swing high and they sold and all that stuff. They were really bearish. Now they're trying to catch back in and try to go long. you know, it's just that mindset because they missed that ride up. Now they have to feel like they have to catch up. So every time there's some kind of dip, they want to buy into it to catch up and go along with the market. You gotta understand that hedge fund, they're not all the same. Some are good, some are bad. And at the end of the day, they want to show their customer that, hey, look what I did for your portfolio. I'm not losing this year. I did good. Or else they're gonna get fired. And you have to answer like, why did you not see this rally coming? Why did you sell when look what happened, right? Yeah, Peloton was a great buy, but it was like what, maybe $15-$20 for 2 years ago, something like that. Now look at it now, crazy. I think I got my average is like $49 on Peloton stock. I wish I had more of that though, to be honest, but I didn't. I also have some SoFi. SoFi I think is a good stock to hold too. SoFi is cheap right now. Let's see, where is it at? I think I got it at $7. These are long-term holdings, okay, guys. We're not investing. We're not playing option thing. Yeah, it's at 14.85 right now. I got it in like around $6-7 last 2 years ago. I think this stock could be at least 30, 30, $50 within probably a year or two from now. It's a smart business concept, right? It's an online banking. They do banking, investing, loans, all that stuff. Everything is online. No brick and mortar. That save a lot of costs. Obviously, you see nowadays, like Chase and Bank of America, all that they are cutting down their brick and mortar office and trying to go online. Well, SoFi have done that, and they catch a lot of the market. Also, Robinhood is pretty bullish too. Robinhood is now $74. That was a pretty low stock to have, and now it's doing pretty well. Honestly, I trade on Robinhood platform and invest in it. It's pretty simple to do. That's why people like it. I think it could do better, but whatever. It is what it is for now. It's better than what it started before. Those are the stock I think you guys should own long term. Tech, SoFi, Robinhood, decent. Um, and if you guys got some cojones, UNH, United Healthcare, it dropped a lot this year off of a bunch of bad news and press, but I think that's gonna rally back up to its high. It's doing right now. It's doing rally right now, so it's been slow. Was at 249, right? It made a significant bounce back. Now it's at 309. And the high is around 600. Okay, so just letting you know your upside is there. Your upside is there. So this probably take you can be like 2, 3 years, but I think it will go back to its highs. I might take a stab at it once in a while, buy one share of UNH just to diversify my portfolio. Have some kind of healthcare in it, and Bitcoin. If you guys not Bitcoin, crypto, um, for stock, you can buy it for stock too instead of buying Bitcoin. Actual Bitcoin, you can buy the ETF, IBIT. It's the ETF for Bitcoin, so you can buy it as a stock option too. Looking good. We're up, 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 up so far. 372, 380, right? So, yeah, just let it ride. I think we're just gonna short squeeze the shit out of the market today. All the shorts who think they're smart are gonna get burned. Still holding. I'll be back. Gotta get my tea ready. Almost $400. MNQ call or MNQ long. I mean, yep, 400. Yeah, looking good, guys. 8 o'clock. The trend has been up still. That was a simple strategy there too, right? No, I preach a lot of strategy. Wasn't one of the simple one. This is one of T's favorite one. We got a trend line break. Let's go over it. Find a minute, trend line break. We didn't take entry here. Obviously, we want to wait for a little bit of confirmation. Like I said, I wanted to see a break above 202 at least, and we got that, and slowly start breaking up. Once it start breaking 224, I like that, and that's why it went long, and we got that move. So whether you enter here was more risky, obviously, because we saw some drawdown, but we went back up. But there was a break. If you take usually when you take the first break, it's just more risk. I'm not saying you're right or wrong. You just know there's more risk there because it could go back down. Sometimes you want to wait for a little more confirmation before you go long, even after the break, right? But either way, you would have caught that move now, that the trendline break. You know, simple strategy. And then for as far as EMA goes, um, if you're looking at it, we are above the EMAs, above the 9, above all the 121, the 50, the VWAP. It's just bullish action. We even have confirmation of EMA cross right here, down here. Yeah, just gravy from here on out. Gravies. So, a couple things you guys can do now: protect your gains. Obviously, you don't have to wait till your profit target. Trail your stops, candle by candle, right? Tight, or just trim some profit and just break even, right? So you have 400, you trim half. You secure 200, right? And then you put your stop at break even, make it a free trade. Yeah. Oh, okay. So you still in or no? You out? You still in? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. But there you go. Play safe. Put stop off break even. That's how you do it, you know. Cause like at this point we're up, quite amount, right? So you could protect yourself by trimming half, or you set your stop loss to break even and make it a risk-free trade, so you don't have to stress over it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Well, that's it. That happens. Yeah, yeah. I try to keep you guys disciplined. You know, when we make money, we're done. There's no need to keep going. That's no. Don't try to get back to the market. You know, you make your money, you good, you lock it out. That's how you're gonna get payouts. Yeah, that's cause exactly. I mean, yeah, I know. It's okay though too. So you have to build that confidence up to trade larger size. You know, 'cause if you don't build a confidence up, you're gonna get scared. It's not good for you to trade because you haven't built that confidence. Once you build that confidence, I do suggest you making more size, at least three cons, starting three and out three. Right, that's the safest. Right now you're doing one is very safe, very conservative. But if you want to like make a little bit more, yeah. hmm and also another thing, if you want to make better, let's say, risk to reward and all that stuff, is there's an indicator here, right there. You see that I'm clicking on? So whenever time you enter a trade, hit that, right? Let's say you go long, hit the long entry, and then wherever your stop is, right? Try your stop. As long as your risk is at least 1 to 3, right? Yeah, at least on 1 to 3. Let's say okay, that's 1 to 3. Your take profit is here. Okay, leave it. Just leave it like that. Every time you make this trade like that, you will make more money because the indicator's right here. It's called long position, and then the other one's called short position. Yeah, we're selling off right now. Just when I said something, that's a big sell off right now. Yeah, it's a big sell off right now. I'm gonna be safe here now. Hit your stop loss. Okay, I can hit my stop too. I, something happened. Let me go check. Because obviously we don't get a sell off like that for nowhere. Let me check on news events. See what happens. Can we buy a dip on this or not? Yeah, I hit my stop loss too. Yeah, I tried them. So we didn't make anything off of that, but we didn't lose much, so it's okay. Something happened. I didn't expect a big sell like that. I'm trying to read what's going on. Trump has Trump thing has to approve final wording, blah blah blah, and then we start selling off. I wonder if this dip will be bought off or not. Oh man, I forgot my options. Dang it. Okay, gotta close my option. That's a bad turn of events. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be aggressive here. I'm going in long, but I'm gonna be aggressive. I'm going 15 cons. I'm gonna capture this fast move back up. Let's see if dip buy come back in. It's more aggressive. Definitely a lot more risk. 15 con. Yeah. It's more risky. Not 50, 15. But it's still a lot of risk. Yeah. I'm trying to ride this move back up. Hopefully it's a fast move and not continue downside. Looking for a shorter move, higher risk. Obviously, if it continues to drop, then yeah, that's bad for me. I'm risking at least $1,000. Come on, show me that rally back up. Dip buys coming in. We're up right now. Come on. trail a little bit my stop. Risking 800 bucks. Shoot. There we go. Something with China and some tariffs. Nothing crazy. Yeah. Something with China caused it. Nothing crazy. I think this dip will be bottom back up. So I'm going long here. Just trail your stop. There we go. 300 now. There we go. I will trim soon. Hit 400. I'll trim. Actually, here. Limit sell 10 here. Oh, come on. No, no, no. Go the other way. Go the other way. Come on, buy it back up. Come on, come on. No, 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 no. Buy it back up. Oh no, I'm about to get stopped out now. This candle needs a hold. There we go. Come on. Yeah, yeah, almost. Come on. I'm almost there. Come on. I want to take profit there at 10. 239 out trimming 10 cons there. Leaving 5. Come on. You can do it. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. A little bit more push. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Couple more. Couple more ticks. Get it. Couple more ticks. You know, I'm gonna do it myself. There we go. Got it. Alright, just to break even. Just to break even. With high cons. We're still gonna go long. I'm gonna adjust my profit take to same thing. I'm gonna go for it. Same thing. 239. I'm gonna leave my break even. 5. Yeah, I trim already 10. Yeah, yeah. So now it's a free trade again, and we're up about 190, 200 now. We're going back up. So people buying the dip fast. Usually I come in at 3 and 3 or 5. Yeah, yeah, 3 or 5. Yeah, but when I see something that I like, really like that move right there, that big move down, I say I like to move up. I'll go aggressive. Yeah, 3 to 5. That's usually, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So this indicator. Okay. So this indicator here, um, this tool it says long, short. So if you say you go long, you click where your long entry is, and you want your risk to reward to always be at least a 1 to 3. You see the number in the middle? It's at least 3, right? So that's mean where you're gonna take profit, and this is where you're gonna stop out. Every time you in the trade, you do that, and you hit that goal, you will be profitable. Because let's say you take 3 trades, the same risk reward ratio, you miss 100, make 300, right? So you win 2, you lose 1, you still in profit. If that's your risk reward ratio, the same with short, 1 to 3. Yeah, it'll show you 3 here on the bottom, like here. If I have here in the middle, yeah, it'll show 3. You set it like that all the time, you're good. This is your stop and your take profit. And then you see, yep, there's no problem. That's a good tool to have so you know exactly how to manage your risk. But now we're just gonna break even, okay, and we're still gonna aim for that higher day. It's free risk free trade right now, so it doesn't matter if it stop me out. I'm okay right now. Obviously, I don't want to stop me out, but if it does, it does. Let's see if dip buy really come back in and just push it higher. And once it, I think so. I think we can. I mean, look, every time we dip down, buy came back in strong, right? Dip down, buy came in. Dip down, buy came in. So if this holds, I think we can at least test for the previous day high. So let's see what happens. Just hopefully we don't get stopped out. But if I get stopped out, I'll look for another entry low and I'll try to go long again. Prefer not to have stop out again. Good job, Drew. play some music. Calm. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. No worries here. Mm. Might have to leave early on my stream because I gotta go somewhere. I'll be active on the chat though, but I don't have to cut my stream short. Looking good. Looking good. Oh, we almost got stopped out there. Almost got stopped out. It's more. Uh-oh. Now looking good now. We're gonna get stopped out. Oh, stopped out. That sucks. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you took some alright, huh? That's nice. Smart. Okay. That's good. That's good. Protected. I don't know what happened there, but it's sold off there. Only thing we have left for news is 10-year notes at 10 o'clock. And Trump speak later market close, so that don't matter. Yeah, nothing else. Kind of volatile right now. No news either. It's probably more profit taking. Let's see. Let me check my account. Testing the 21 EMA. Let's see. Do I want to buy this dip? No, it has to go down a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna go back in long here. Let's stop at 2012. I'm long at 2027. Oh, I'm gonna get stopped now. Almost. Hmm. Oh, we gotta stop that. Yep, stop that. Okay, let's see how far it can go down before we go long again. Maybe a retest of WeWop or the 50 EMA. Looks like a good support there. We can go along there. So 2000. pretty confident here. I'll set a limit buy here. Long for one position first. Also break of 24 again. I'll go long again also. You know what? Gold looked like a short again too. Gold to gold. I'm in gold short again. Da-na-na-na. Five cons. I'm short gold right now. Uh, yeah, 357. I see a trend line break. Aiming for 349. Take profit. Stops 363. No, you're good right now. If you enter, it hasn't really moved yet. Yeah, it's too much advantage, so don't do it. Yeah, yeah. I have a resting order for at the 2000 for long there if it gets there. Yeah, at least for two. Yeah, so if it hits there, I kind of like too long. But just be careful though. Okay, the stop should be 985. So I have my stop there. So my long there, my stop there. I like the number, and I like the psychological number, and I like the 21 EMA. Actually, the 51 EMA right there could be a support because we saw support right here already. Wick right there, 21 on the 51. So it could happen again. Yeah, I see a yellow candle and wick support. So yeah, yeah, the low of that candle. Yep. Mhm. Oh, good thing you didn't go gold. Gold's going back up. We'll see. I have my stop. It's not. I haven't hit my stop yet. So let's see if it fake me out or what. I do see a trend line break, but unless it fake me out, trap me. It's almost 9 o'clock too, so be careful. Once 9 and 10, usually I don't want to trade anymore. It's market gets choppy. 10 o'clock, we do have data on 10 o'clock. So goes dropping back down. Uh oh. Might not get our entry above 224. Oh, gotta get ready. See you guys later. I'll be off my stream. I'll definitely alert you if anything changes. Catch you guys later.